Hello guys, I am LK Tripathi from LPM Public School. I teach you social science, you know very well. Today we will discuss about the case study of geography chapter. Yet that is, this case study will help us to understand about the condition of Ladakh, people of Ladakh, agricultural activity of Ladakh, all such types of facts related to this discussion will come out. So be careful and watch it carefully and interestingly. ट्रेडिशनल एग्रीकल्चर इन लद्दाख। लद्दाख में ट्रेडिशनल एग्रीकल्चर क्या है इसको हम जानते हैं। फर्स्ट, इरिगेटेड वैली इन एरिड सेंट्रल लद्दाख। जो एरिड एरिया है, लेस रेन रिसीविंग एरियाज है, उसमें किस तरह की जो है इरिगेशन होती है, किस तरह की सिंचाई होती है, इसको पहले हम जानते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस स्टडी अबाउट द एग्रीकल्चरल परफॉर्मेंसेज ऑफ लद्दाख। आफ्टर दैट सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर इन दिस डिस्कशन which will give us more information about that. This case study focuses on the agriculture of Ladakh and the unique adaptation that have been made there to allow the people to survive in this high altitude desert. High altitude desert means, altitude means the height above the sea level. जो भी हम अपनी हाइट अपने अर्थ की मेज़र करते हैं, या जो भी हम इसको जो है इसके जो भी ऊंचाई है किस जगह की कितनी, उसके मेज़रमेंट के लिए हम सी लेवल को वहाँ का जो सी लेवल एरिया का उससे हम मेज़र करते हैं, उस सरफेस से हम लेते हैं, तब जा कर के एक्चुअल हाइट हमारे ये सरफेस की आती है। तो अल्टीट्यूड वो प्लेस है जिसको हम इंग्लिश में हाइट अबव द सी लेवल कहते हैं, कि समुद्र तल से उस जगह की ऊंचाई कितनी है, ये है अल्टीट्यूड। तो दैट इज़ ए डेजर्ट। लद्दाख इज़ ए डेजर्ट, नॉट डेजर्ट ऑफ ड्राई एंड barren land or sand. That is the desert of ice, snow, you can say. Despite the short growing season, absence of rainfall and harsh climate, Ladakhi people produce more than enough food for themselves. Though there is no favorable condition for the agriculture, rainfall is very less, climate is very harsh, but in spite of everything, Ladakhi people are very skilled to produce more than enough food for their livelihood. This is achieved through a complex network of irrigation canals and an irrigating method of developing and fertilizing soils. They have different types of technique to irrigate their land to produce the food, also fertilizing the soil. There are different types of method. The agriculture of Ladakh also illustrates some of the common characteristics of farmers use low levels of input method to maintain diversity of production systems and actually promote trophic complexity much greater than the surrounding natural system. Geography. What type of geography of the place is? Ladakh is situated on the high Tibetan plateau. ये लद्दाख तिब्बतन प्लेटू की ऊंचाई पर ही स्थित है। बहुत ही हार्श है कंडीशन वहाँ की, difficult to reach there easily, especially in the winter season. It experiences extreme cold. It is in the rain shadow of Himalayas, making it one of the driest places on earth. Very little grows naturally in this harsh environment, though a few small succulent plants, some grasses, and moss manage to survive. In the damp soil near the rivers, willows survive and are an important source of building material. इकोसिस्टम यहाँ का किस तरह का है? लद्दाख इज ए ट्रूली सेल्फ सफिशिएंट कल्चर. द फर्स्ट रोड into the areas was built only 20 years ago. Therefore, almost everything was produced locally by necessity. The traditional farming techniques of the region are still in use. Since there is almost no rainfall in the region, all water is supplied by glacier fed streams and rivers. There is no rainfall around the years, so all the water supply is depend upon the glacier, and they have the different technique to melt the glaciers into water droplets, and they irrigate their land. The rivers are diverted into small canals which carry the water, sometimes across several kilometers. जो रिवर्स हैं यहाँ पर वो स्मॉल कैनल में डाइवर्टेड हैं जो वाटर कैरी करती हैं. कभी कभी तो बहुत सारे किलोमीटर्स आगे जो है जाकर के इनको पाया जाता है. अदरवाइज़ ये सारी जगह ये अवेलेबल नहीं है, दूर दूर तक जाना पड़ता है इससे पानी लेने के लिए. These canals are further divided into small channels so that each small plot has its own established water supply. There is almost no naturally occurring soil suitable for agriculture. All the soil is actually developed by the people. The basic terrace structures of fields are built from stone in the spring. People stand in the rivers and disturb the river bottom with long poles or rakes. Thus, forces river sediment into the water. The sediment laden water is directed to the new fields where it floods the stone enclosed terraces. The sediments settle out of the water and then the process is repeated. This process is actually done with established field as well to aid fresh supplies of minerals and nutrients. When the plot of land is deemed ready, human and animal manures are mixed with the soil and staple crops of barley is planted. About two-thirds of the plots are planted with barley. The remainder are used to raise wheat, turnips, potatoes, tomatoes, and lettuce. In the valley, in the valleys at lower elevation, orchards are also maintained. The principal trees include apricot with a few apple and walnut trees. Agroecosystem research must examine production from production system from a broad social perspective in order to understand how a particular system has evolved. That is Altieri, 1987. The complex interaction of cultural and environmental factors is readily apparent. So no doubt about that. The agricultural practices in Ladakh region is very difficult to perform. There is scarcity of rainwater. No water is there. They have different techniques to irrigate their fields. The diversion of rivers in the form of canals is very far away from their reach. So sometimes they adopt the different types of irrigating system and method to irrigate their fields for production of different types of vegetable and crops. So we have discussed this case study recently, and most probably I hope you will watch and you will study about the condition of Ladakh. Thank you. Goodbye.